Hello, it's me, Dalia, and today I will be talking to you about the real estate market, just giving you a brief update. And I did want to talk about home insurance. Something we're dealing here in California is that um, a few companies are exiting California, saying that the losses are just too much, and some people are getting denial letters from their home insurance. So I wanted to give things that you can do to fight back if you're getting a cancellation of your home insurance, and a few things you could do about that. Based on the activity, the real estate market is softening. As you all know, the number of homes entering, like listings coming on the market, are less and less. So the volume of sales is coming down, and it's not um, accelerating. We passed the peak of listings, so usually around this time last week, the 2 weeks prior was the busiest time of the year for real estate, and we could see that the number of listings hitting the market is coming down and down again. Um, we are also noticing that the pace of the listings that are hitting their market they're staying there um, just slightly longer than before. So for what that means is that I think when I mentioned earlier this spring, it was about 30 offers per home. I'm still seeing multiple offers per listing, but maybe 10 in some areas to about 5. It just depends on the area and how dense the population is and work availability and things like that. So I also want to share that if any of you want a market report on your specific zip code on the trends related to your home, please contact me. I have access to a great source of information from a title rep, and we can plug in your information of your home to give you accurate information about your property. And we could also look at the value of your home based on the activity, because it does really change based on the region that you have your home. So we can give you an update on that. Now, going to the topic that I wanted to share about, how, is your insurance getting canceled? I have had people call me with the following scenarios. Number one, their insurance got canceled. Number two, their insurance went up. So you want to see what's going on, call your insurance company and get a few opinions on the price. And you could also ask what is covered and what is not covered and why there is changes happening. Right now, a lot of people are nervous. They've told me that they've received cancellations. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you open all the mail you ever received from your home insurance provider. That would be the first thing. As soon as you get all the documentation, make sure you get it. The next thing you want to ask around, like, are they canceling your neighbors too, or is that just you? And you want to call your insurance agent and see if they have an idea what might be going on and why you received a cancellation. Um, you want to make sure you talk to the insurance agent and see if there's a new insurer around, or see if there's some data that has changed that has caused this. So let's say if there is like a big fire, earthquake, etc., it might cause the data points to change, and see if they have the most recent data when you got your pricing. The next item is to always make sure your house, you have your regular maintenance done. So for example, clean your gutters. If you have shingles or tiles missing on your roof, always make sure you do the maintenance that you need to, at least on the exterior of the home. If there's bad termites, all these things can really cause you to get canceled for a home insurance, and it might not be even due to fire or earthquakes going around. If the condition of your home gets not like a normal wear and tear, it will cause an insurer not to want to insure you. So you also want to keep up with your regular maintenance on your home. You want to call a local termite inspector. Sometimes they even do it for free for homeowners to give you an update on that. You want to clean your gutters to make sure that we had a lot of rain this year, and if the water just sits, it could cause leaks. We also had a lot of wind this year. So all these things really do wear and tear on a home. So you just want to make sure you're like taking care of your home. And if you need a resource for that, like things that you should do at home, I could give you a little checklist of things you can do. And if there also is a nonprofit that's called United Policyholders, and this is a nonprofit that can help you and advise you if any of these things are not enough to help you with your home policy, and on working on them one-on-one. There's also other things that you can look into, like let's say you're not getting insurance due to being in a high risk for fires. The state does offer insurance for people in those particular situations. So if any of you have questions, please feel free to reach out. Again, I'm here for you as a resource for all your real estate needs. And I hope you're all having a wonderful day and enjoying this week. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.